Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall the throttle body on this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The air filter box is right here. I'm going to disconnect this mass airflow sensor. There's a little button underneath here that unlocks it. Just push that button, release the lock. There's a wire that's connected right here to the box. You can pull up on this right there, or you can use a little screwdriver and get underneath there to pry it up. We're going to loosen up this worm clamp right here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. I'm going to slide this snorkel back a little bit. And there's a hook right here, a latch, and then one right here. Those two. Then I'll slide this up. So I'll set this air box aside. I'm going to take the filler cap off right here. Loosen it to the left. This foam piece comes up here. We're going to go around this cover right here. Pull this up. Like that. There is a little retainer over here. I'm going to loosen this up. That up, and then there's over here. There's a little push pin. Let me get that. You use a trim tool. Pull this off. Pull that pin out. Then we'll pull this cover off and set it aside. Alright, I'm going to take this tube off right here. Just push this little lock and then slide this out. And then you can slide it out over here. Take that off. Take my straight head screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp back here. Pull this off and disconnect this hose right here. Set this aside. And the throttle body connector right here. I'm going to use a pick first to pull up on this lock. Pull that up. Push down on the lock. And pull the connector out. Locks right there. To release it. I'm going to take this throttle body off. I'm going to take these 4 8mm bolts off. Use an 8mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Alright, pull those bolts out. I'm just going to grab the throttle body and pull it straight forward. You can pull those bolts out so you don't lose them. Pull the throttle body out. Be careful with this. All the electronics in here are very sensitive. You don't want to drop this. So just place it aside in a safe place. Just going to clean the surface on this throttle body. And then clean over near the gasket. It's a good idea to replace this gasket when you take the throttle body off. Take the throttle body, put it in position. Take the bolts. Get these started. We're going to tighten down these bolts. Try to do it evenly. Go back and forth. I'll tighten this down to 89 inch-pounds. Connect the connector for the throttle body, lock it in place, and then push down on the lock. Now I'm going to reinstall this tube right here, lock it in place. At this point, I can put this engine cover back on. I got to take this cap off first. And this is going to slide over here like that. Secure this cover down right here. Just twist that down. The other side just had a push retainer, so we'll just push that down. Just like that. I'm going to reinstall this snorkel. Just slide this into position. Slide this hose on right here, and then this hose goes right here. Lock it in place. Take a screwdriver, straight blade screwdriver, tighten up this worm clamp. Just snug. Make sure the snorkel's on there good. This air filter box has a lot of sand and some debris in it, so I'm going to vacuum it out with a vacuum. Now there's still some oil around the outside, so I'm going to take some brake parts cleaner, just clean this up, and then wipe it with a rag. I'm going to install a new air filter now that all the oil is cleaned out. Slide this down, slide the box down. I'm going to install these clips over here, lock it in place, and same with the other one. Lock it in place, take this connector, slide it on the mass airflow, and then this retainer that holds the wire down, push that down there. I'll take a straight blade screwdriver, just tighten down this worm clamp. Make sure it's snug.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.